Alright guys, let's get into this, let's get into this. Alright, so, this is all from yesterday. Get rid of these trend lines. See what the daily says for us. The daily say we're going down, so I'm gonna keep that. This is a 4-hour. This is a 60-minute, obviously. Let's make this bigger. Dude. I want to keep that level. Let's go, let's see. Let's get rid of this stuff, actually. Let's kick down to the 4-hour. Let's get this data series. Go 15 days. I still don't know why it doesn't do that. Still like that area. Here it gets some support right here. This, we don't have to worry about that. This one's good. I like this one too. I'll just adjust it. We do go up. This one, care less about. Really could care less about, but I'm gonna keep that. Keep it to where like it's up to here. This one, no, I don't care. Let's jump down to the 60-minute. So right now it's in here. We are building out that 15-minute orb. Let's go open up. Good old oil. Gotta make sure we get the oil up and running, up and running, up and running. Alright, done. Oil's pumping today. Did it hit a key level? Did it bounce off of a key level? No, still has it. Can go down to 90. Yeah, it's I want to see it go down, so we're gonna be going up today. I like for it to see it touch. We'll just go down to the 15-minute. See if there's anything, if we have anything for the calendar. All right. Today is June 5th. You've got nothing really. Pretty open. Pretty open. It's going down. I mean, oil that needs to be popping up. It's kind of going in the same direction. Um, it just looks like oil's going down. Let's see what the chart says. Well, it's going up right now. So I need it for it to break trend. You know, it did break a trend. It could come back up. But of course, on the 15-minute, we are going to wait. Because if it does get back up to this, you know, I'd like to see it come up here, and then we can hit this level. This is a good level right here. Look at that. Look at all those touches. So we break up, we can come back up to here. 110, that's 100 points. So it looks like it's going to do that. And go down to the 5-minute. Remember our rules. We'll wait for the 15-minute to close. Wait for that 15-minute to close, and then we will take a trade off that. We have $900 on 2 accounts, and so, you know, if it's can try to get 900 today, then we'll transfer those evals to funded, and then I'll trade 3 evals next week. I'm trying to get all of my 5 apexes to funded, and we'll see about that. Oil's dumping right to this nice little line. Did it dump down into exactly where I wanted it to go? Let's see. It's dumping down, but nothing crazy. Not to a level. It's still got some more. It's breaking structure, so again, it's like oil's following. I'm okay with that. Let's see what the hour says versus oil hour. Just following that trend a little bit. So it's not really going in line with oil today, so I'm not going to rely on oil as much for a little bit of a confluence to get into. I'm looking for it to hit this and bounce back. Maybe going into the middle of the 15-minute warp, which should be another 100-point move. So we could use that. And if it does continue, if we go here, you know, it comes back, again, we have this 4-hour. It's 4-hour right here. Or this is a daily right here. This daily low. Right here. And that touched twice. I mean, right now, there's a daily low here, but I could care less about that one. But looks like we're going to be touching that. So I guess there's a new indicator of volume. You say it's a new heat map? Just updated to Ninja 8, so, or just updated Ninja. So we go to volume profile and we add that. And visualize, go display mode. Display mode. Doesn't really show us. All right, so it closed. And I'm gonna have to figure out this volume indicator. I do like having a heat map, but for some reason I don't see it, so we'll remove it. All right, so that 15 minute, now we're just gonna jump down to the 5, see where we're going, where trade of 8's at. Still just going down, can't really do anything on that. So it did touch that 4-hour line. We'll see about it bouncing up. I'd love for it to bounce back up, but we'll see. Again, if the rule is if we get a 5-minute candle closure here, we'll look for a retracement back up in this area, and then we'll continue our way down to here. That's where I'm looking for. So right now we're doing really good. And I mean, do we have any trends going on? Not really. Not really. I mean, I wouldn't even say that that's a trend, but any 15-minute trends going on? I mean, can we say something like this? No. No, not really. I do want to see a bounce though. I do want to see a bounce. So that's going to give me a little bit more confirmation saying, hey, we are going to go back up. Or we're going to go back down, so we'll see. Got 1 minute and 21 seconds left, so after this we will drop down. I'm kind of getting used to the 2 minute. I like the 2 minute. For retracement. So we'll see what we can do on the 2 minute on the retracement. But I am looking for this move right here. The 100-point move, so. We have 44 seconds left. And hope everybody has a busy Friday. Gonna be putting my creatine. Hope everyone has a lot of good plans for the weekend. All right, so let's jump down to the 2-minute. Let's see if we can get into this. Are we still just going to go on without us? Probably. But I want to see us retrace back. Give me some confirmation and a rejection that we're on our way down. It's beautiful. I do see a trend line with oil, so I'm going to draw that just in case. Let me see a rejection. Come on, push back up into this area. Let's see, 90, let's get 30 more points. I mean, if we get right in here, that will be good. I mean, it looks like we're getting a rejection. I really like this. It's sellers are not letting it go up there, so if I want to take a sell, yeah, let's take a sell here. Give me one more confirmation. What's the next candle look like? All right, so it did flip on the 1 minute. Let's see what type of reaction we get right here. Oil's dumping still. Was that a rejection, guys? Looks like a rejection to me. I'm going to take it to the buy stop here. Buy stop up here. It's a lot. Whoa. Oil just got slammed down. And buy limit out at 2763. Again, we try again but I want oil to keep going. Oil to keep going, so let's see what we can do. Hopefully we are not. Come on, oil, let's pump. Let's pump. want to see a keep pushing through that. Let's go down to the 500 tick. I mean, I use a 500 tick, but not a lot. Did take that out. No, can it come up here to take this and then come back down? Yes. Can. But I want to see oil's dropping again. That's good. But I just want us to keep continuing. This is, again, dangerous entry, but obviously from what it looked like. I want to see a rejection. And we've gotten pretty close. See, it touched my line that I made. And this is where I want to see it just pump down. We only need, what, 60 points to really get to that. So it's at 900. You only need a 45-point move. So 64. And, you know, oil's still bouncing. All right, so now let's push through. Okay. All right, so now we're on the green. We're in the green. So I'm gonna tighten up my stop loss. Tighten up my stop loss. Come on, oil. Help me out here. Just keep going down. You know, where are we on a 5 minute? What are we doing? Why are we stopping right here? I have no idea. Let's see what the hour says. Again, we've got this data series, 5 days, like stupid. For here, oh yeah, like let's go to oil. Let's go. You know where you want to go. You know where you want to go. So now we're just going to go right to break even, so that way we say, hey, this is a free trade. Come on, let's pass these evals. Let's pass these evals. I'm right there. Just keep going. That's awesome. We're done for the day. We passed both evals at 53,162 and 53,183. Look, just went right to it. It's still going to continue down here. That's my guess. I was a betting man. It's going to continue down to this area right here. It might stop right here. It's getting some flack right there. But you can see right on the 1 minute. it's stopping its move here. But guys, we passed those 2 evals. Green on all 4 days this whole week. That's what we're trying for, guys. This is it. This is it. We don't have to be, huge YouTubers trying to get, thousands of dollars a day. We're just trying to get little wins here. Little wins. You see, it's gonna go for that right here. It's going for it. It's gonna touch that. And again, like if we look at the hour, it's past that. So where is it gonna go after this? Well, there's a nice little gap fill right here. There's a gap right here at the 670. So could it continue down to 670? Fill that gap? Probably. Probably. But since it just made a, I don't know, 400-point move, gonna see some retracement here. Because oil is crashing down now, so we're definitely gonna see this go up. But this is all we need, ladies and gentlemen. This is all we need. And I really hope you girls and guys have a great weekend. This shit right here is the hardest job in the world. Trading is not easy. It's all about discipline. This week, I just followed my rules. Obviously, there's some strategies that I used as far as taking on 2 different days, and those 2 different days I just used oil, and when oil was dumping, it was pumping. Today, it is not that. It's not that way because oil is dumping huge right now. Let me just show you guys. Look at that. Jeez. Let's see how it's not really doing the inverse. So it's not doing the inverse, but oil's dumping. I wonder why oil's dumping. We got any Iran news? Let's see. Nothing. Israel is fucking up Lebanon, obviously for no reason. But yeah, it was inverse yesterday and the day before, and there was a slight delay. So I used that to my advantage. Today it is not doing the same thing. So we have to be always aware of that. You always got to be aware. So look at that pump. Is it going to pump back up into here? Let's see if it pumps back into that level. To continue its downward trend. I don't know. Maybe. Could we trade another Apex account today and maybe make 1,000? Yeah, but do you see like how it bounced off this level? Again, we'll see. Let's just drop down to the 5-minute. Could it bounce up to this level again? I don't know. I don't know. I mean, again, there was a gap here. Let's fill in that gap. I don't know. Get a nice rejection on oil. Again, it's not inverse today. So, you know, could this be pumping up, take some of this out, or continuing down? Could it go back into the orb? I don't know. But do you see, like, 5-minute closed? I waited for a retracement. Then bam, down. That's all you need. 1 bar. Let's see, 5-minute closed. Out here. Then we'll go down to the 2-minute. So this is where it closed. I waited for that retracement. I took the trade right here and it went all the way. Now, I don't have any key levels as far as it going back down. Yeah, I mean, there's, again, this gap right here. We could try it. We could try this gap right here on a eval if there's a rejection. Let's see, I'll do it on 12. We'll go down to the 2-minute. Got that rejection. Let it close below that. And then when it comes back up, I mean, we've got, what is this? This is 70 points. That's a lot. But it's having some trouble getting through that. So, I mean, oil's pumping huge. I don't think this is done. So let's wait. Let's see what the 500 says. Okay. Okay, I like that. It's getting rejected now. It's getting rejected now, but the 1-minute is just chop. I want to see a good close below 773, which is right in this area, before we take this trade right here. And we're on the 12. I don't have an ability to show you that. So we will have to, I just have to tell you. I can pull the chart over. Maybe there's a way I can... No. All right, so what happens if it just says no to this? Oil is about to break structure on the 1-minute. Let me see what the 5-minute says. Yeah, oil's gonna go back up. That's what it looks like to me. Do we take this down here? This is very dangerous right here. I don't want to see it pass here. I want to see it close here. Close here, and then continue down into this gap. See if I can show. Oh, I'm not gonna do it now. I'll do it over the weekend. I'll try to get a better chart for here. I'll try to do the first 3 or whatever. I'll make it look good. Maybe I'll do it up here under my banner, so that way you guys can see it. I'll figure it out. So let's see. So we didn't make a higher high on oil on the 1 minute. We did make a lower high. Made a lower low. We did make a higher high and then a lower high. So let's see. Again, I ain't doing shit until you get down to this area right here. That tells me it doesn't need any of this shit, and it wants to go. You know, can you take a trade here and then put your stop loss there? Yes. You could, but there's really no confirmation. It could just come right back up. And you see right here, this is just... Right now, it's just having some trouble getting through this area. Doing well. So again, I want to see this so we continue that trend downward. Now there's really no trends here at all. You could say there's a trend here, but I don't think there really is. And is that really did it bounce down? No. Ain't no trend. There's no 5-minute trend. There's no 15-minute trend. And it did, but it went down and broke through. So, you know, there's no real trends here. So we'll see. You know, for me, this is all just a bunch of chop. This whole box right here. This whole box. Just chop. Well, what are we gonna do? We have no idea. We have no idea. Again, oil did not work for the inverse as well for today. Let's see. Let's see if it takes that and then comes down. But again, and now what I would do is I want to see something like around the 800s so we can continue. But it looks like it's about to go up and touch the bottom of the orb again. And for me, you know, if it hits this and close above that, you know, we could target middle of the orb, but it's not below any of these. So, you know, I took that trade right here because we were below this one right here, the 20 EMA. I'd be afraid to trade in this box right here. This is all just chop. So, I mean, oil's going to pump back up. That's really good. Because it goes right in line. But are we just going to pump here, chop, pump here, chop? Let's see if it breaks this trend line. This trend line. It's just broke out of this trend line from 830. So let it touch here. We could take a quick trade. This is just a fresh eval, 12 eval. We could take a quick trade down to here. Oil continues to pump, but I'd like to see a reaction. And you know, let's see down to the 1 minute. Nada. Still going up. 500. Nada. Now we're just been bouncing. Boom, boom, boom. So see a reaction like down to here. Come down. I'd really like to see it right down here. So. Alright, this is the bottom of our orb. Getting back into the orb. Let's see what happens on this 10 EMA. Or this is the 50 EMA. This is the 10 EMA. I'd like to get down to 97. But again, this box, the box is all down and up. He did make a higher high, but this is definitely a lower low. And this is a higher low, then we could continue downward. This is a lower low and a higher low. We get down here again. Let's see where we can go. We'll take one more trade. Risky? Is it outside? Well, not really. I mean, we did go back up to our... We did touch back up, so let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. I mean, I can take this sell right here. 15. Yeah, it looks like it wants to push. A little bit. I'm going to take that. And if it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. We'll be going all the way down. We'll just let it go. We'll see what happens. See what happens. It's pushing through right now. Looking good. I'm going to let it go all the way. Gonna let it go all the way. We make $1,000. We pass this. This is our free trade for the day. Trade. Now this is an intraday, so we're not supposed to go down, 100 or 1,000. So let's see. I want it to continue to come down. Go on, buddy. At 1 minute. Close it out and make 600 for the day. This is our free trade day. If it goes back up, it hits it, I'm done for the day. No big deal. No harm, no foul. If it continues down where I want to see it go down, at least down to here. Then, yeah. I mean, again, we broke structure. We broke structure on the 5 minute. But I still don't think so. I think we're still, I want it to go down. Oil is really wanting to take out these highs at 91.52. So again, it's like this little area right here is where I'm really looking. Come on, let's push through these guys. Let's push through it. Oil really wants to take out those highs. It did. Let's go. Let's just push through this area right here. Close past it. I know that's where you want to go. Let's at least go down to here. Yeah, I'll take some profit. Again, some is better than none, right? Some is better than none. Doing great. 1600. Some is better than none. Come on, oil. Oil's pumping big time. Oil's pumping big time. So let's continue that downward. That downward motion. It's doing good. We close out, 2,000 for the day on this. Again, I'm not greedy. Not greedy. See where it's starting to get a little bit of. Just gonna do that. So we made 2,050 on that. 2,050, 2,046 on the realized P&L. Oil's coming down, so of course this is gonna just pop back up. But yeah, it's good. I mean, we're up. So now we have two more accounts that haven't been traded yet, evals. We traded the 12 eval and made $2,000 for the day. Good to go. Love it. So that's it for the day, guys. What is it? 1 hour? 1 hour of trading. So you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Have a good time trading.